so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make crispy potato chips at home. This is a very easy recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 2 large potatoes, clean wash it and pat it dry. Today I've taken a slicer with the thinnest blade. You need to go with thin slicer blade for nice and crispy potato chips. Slice it and keep it ready. Immediately after slicing, start frying, else the potato slices will turn. Heat an iron pot and add required amount of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add the potato slices one by one. Keep the flame on high and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the potato chips are nice and golden brown. It's nice and crispy too, so remove. Fry all the chips and add it to a mixing bowl. Now add required amount of salt and mix it well. A delicious and crispy potato chips is now ready. You can also go with chili powder or chaat masala if you prefer to. Very easy, crispy and quick recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.